Hi, this is Tembi and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing this Mother's Day balloon arch, very simple. I did only 3 sizes of balloons. However, I didn't mix this balloon sizes in each cluster. So the base balloons are 12 inches, the middle balloons are 10 inches, and the top ivory balloons are 8 inches. Please like this video and subscribe. So each cluster there will be 6 balloons, 2 balloons tied together, and then just twisting the 2 balloons, and then taking one more balloon, 2 balloons tied together, and twisting it on the balloon to make one cluster. To tie 2 clusters together, you need to find the loose tails from each cluster. In the middle of the cluster, look for the loose tail, and then you just pull that one, and then from the other clusters will pull a loose tail from a balloon, and then you tie them together. Just tie them strong. Tie 2 times to make them strong. So the 2 clusters will be tied together as one. The same thing here. Find the loose tail from the balloons that was tied. From one cluster, find the loose tail balloon, and then you tie it with another loose tail balloon from the middle of the other cluster. Just tie them together 2 times. Tie a knot. These are the 8-inch balloons going on the top of the arch, because I didn't want the arch to be big from top to bottom, and I didn't want to mix the sizes of balloons in each cluster. These are the big 12-inch ones that I'm gonna put on the base of the arch. I'm using the 260 modeling balloons to tie the balloon arch to the frame. Now all I have to do is connect the 12-inch balloons that are tied to the 10-inch balloons for the top, for the middle part. I'm tying the middle part to the base, so I'm trying to find the loose tail from the pink balloons and the loose tail from the yellow balloons and tie them together. And here tying the final part using the loose tail from the yellow balloons and the loose balloon tail from the pink balloons and tie together. Now we can add the small 5-inch rose gold balloons. We just use the 260 modeling balloons and tie the 5 inches at each side, the amount we want. This time I'm adding 3 on each side. Then we just loop it around the balloons where we want the 5 inches to go. I use the 260 modeling balloons to tie the flowers to the balloon arch.